is Reshwant. I am studying 6th concept in Ratnam English Medium High School. Today my topic is how to change our way of thinking. Change our way of thinking means seeing in a better and more positive way. Think something we are faced problems. I source, but it should, instead of a things I can do it. We should. I can do it. Should try my best. Think of best things. First step, thinking positive. Do face on problems. Think about solution. Be grateful. Be truthful. Seeing in a better and more positive way. Something we are faced problems. I will try my best. Think of first step. My positive way. Think in a positive way. Truthful and grateful. Thank you.